Hi everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. So we are just continuing from where we left it from, and we are looking at like terms and unlike terms, but I started with some grade 1 things. Now we are getting into like terms and unlike terms. So what do we mean when we say like terms and unlike terms? As usual, I'll try to get back to try to explain this in also a very simple way that will enable you to understand. So I have this question. So the first one is what we did in the previous lesson: 2 bananas plus 3 bananas. What do you think is the answer? So 2 bananas plus 3 bananas, the answer is going to be 5 bananas. So this is 5 bananas as our answer. So 5 bananas, we already know that. So secondly, we have 5 apples plus 2 bananas. Have we seen what we have? 5 apples plus 2 bananas. What do you think is the answer? Is it fine if we say the answer is 7 apples? Obviously no. Why? These are apples and the other ones are bananas. Some of you will say, okay, yeah, what if we say 7 bananas? Again, 7 bananas will not be acceptable. You can't add apples and bananas. They are two different things. What if we say 5 apples, bananas? No. Again, this cannot happen. So when we have 5 apples plus 2 bananas, they are unlike terms. We can't add them. The answer will simply be 5 apples plus 2 bananas, like that. So this is what we have. So you can't add the apples and the bananas. So the reason why there are two unlike terms. Okay, so what if I have something like this? So question number 3 says we have 2 bananas plus 3 apples plus 8 bananas plus 5 apples. So how do we deal with this? So in this one, it seems as if we have a mixture of bananas and apples. So when you are given a mixture of bananas and apples, for you to solve the question, the only thing that you're going to do is group the bananas together and group the apples together, then add them separately. Then you'll be able to find the correct answer. 2 bananas and 3 apples you can't add. 8 bananas and 5 apples you can't add. But these are apples and these are apples. You can add them together. These are bananas and these are bananas. You can add them together. So this is the same as saying 2 bananas. So I have 2 bananas there. Then I'll go to bananas again. So meaning I'm collecting the like terms. So this is 80 bananas. I'll say plus 80 bananas. Then plus, I'll also start with the apples. Now since all the bananas have been grouped together, I can now go to apples. So when collecting the sign, make sure you collect the sign which is on the apples there. The sign which is here is positive. So that's why I'm getting the positive 3 apples there. So then plus 5 apples. The plus is coming from the 5 there, so which is 5 apples. So once collected, I can now add them. What is 2 bananas plus 8 bananas? The answer is 10 bananas. Then this is 3 apples, which is plus 3 apples plus 5 apples. The answer is plus 80 apples. Okay, can I add 10 bananas plus 8 apples? Obviously not. They cannot be added. Why? They are unlike terms. What do? You just leave it like that. So this is the answer. So in the same way, in algebra, I think you remember that we are not going to be writing bananas, we are not going to be writing apples, but we are just going to be using the first letter or the first 2 letters. So in the same way, you can also have a scenario where we have 2b plus 3a plus 8a, 8b, sorry, plus 5a. So when you are given such a question, what you do is collect the like terms. You are supposed to collect the like terms. What do we mean when we say like terms? So like terms are those which contain the same letters. B and B, these are like terms. A and A are like terms. After collecting the like terms, you use the rules of integers, the same signs, different signs, to find your answers. So we are saying 2b plus 8b, then plus 3a plus 5a. So don't mind my 5 there. So what will be the final answer? The final answer is going to be 10b plus 8a. So this is the way it is. So as usual, before I proceed, I would want you to answer some questions, then we are going to proceed with some more examples on this topic. I hope you found the lesson useful. Please make sure you ask and don't miss on any of these things that we are going to be looking at. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to understand the mathematics.